Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make healthy pesto. Start by selecting fresh basil, garlic, lemon, olive oil, and toasted nuts to balance flavor and texture. Choose lower oil options and use Greek yogurt or avocado to create a lighter, creamy body without sacrificing richness. Measure ingredients precisely for consistent results and taste as you go. Prep ahead by toasting nuts and zesting lemon to save time and boost aroma. Whip basil, garlic, lemon juice, toasted nuts, and a small amount of olive oil in a food processor to a coarse paste. Stop and scrape down sides, then blend again briefly to preserve texture. For lighter versions, swap half the oil with plain Greek yogurt or steamed spinach for added nutrients, and season gradually until bright and balanced. Store leftovers in an airtight container. Pulse pesto in short bursts to avoid overheating and to keep texture lively. Taste for salt and acidity, adding lemon or parmesan as needed, and remember dietary swaps like nutritional yeast for vegan cheese. When using as a spread or sauce, thin with warm water or reserved pasta water a tablespoon at a time until desired consistency is reached, and finish with a drizzle of high-quality olive oil for shine.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.